Morning guys, what's up? I hope you're all having a good day. Today we're heading out to get a few tools to do some stuff to our fenders on both the cars. If you guys remember when I did my Melbourne trip with this car, I ended up pulling out that little part of my guard and I was like, no! And the R33 definitely needs its guards rolled because I have some really thick boy wheels that I want to fit on my not so thick boy guards. So I am going to do that today, and then I'm also going to fix up the front fenders on the Falcon. Probably going to do the Skyline ones first because I'd never rolled guards before, so we'll see how we go on the Skyline, and then hopefully by the front guard on this I should be a master, so we'll see how we go. Anyway, let's go head to my friend's place to go pick up the guard roller. Forgot how good this car sounded. Oh yeah. Alrighty, we are now back at home and I am just about to start doing some stuff, but I keep looking over at this massive collection now. Well, I say massive, but it's like my favorite. Finally got some more Hot Wheels in the lounge room. Sarah's actually allowed me to keep the Hot Wheels down here now, so I'm super happy. Speaking of Sarah, hi!
Hello!
How are you?
Good, how are you?
They haven't seen you back
I'm still
yet.
here.
You're still here?
I'm still with you.
Wow, wow, Jesus. But today, on Sarah's channel, she has a YouTube channel now, which is awesome. But we're gonna be cleaning up this mess. This is our study. I literally made this sick setup over here. And this was actually all behind the camera, and we haven't actually finished it in what, like 3 weeks now? So
Yeah, it's a bit of a problem.
yeah, so on Sarah's channel.
I physically cannot use my desk, as you can see. It is literally just all of Zach's extra stuff.
No. Like, as you can see, like, this is definitely not mine, and neither is this or that GoPro.
No, never.
Yeah,
Not yours
so
at all.
we're gonna clean up this whole place. On Sarah's channel.
I'm excited.
Alrighty guys, so the goal today is to actually get the R33's guards rolled. I don't know whether I'll start the Falcons ones today. I just want to make sure it's all good and hopefully I don't screw anything up. But yeah, now's to try and get this thing up the driveway without scraping everything. We'll see how we go. Right, so the reason that we're rolling the guards in the R33, if you guys can see, this is only a 17/9 plus 15 with a 225 tyre, and it's already rubbing like it's crazy, just trying to get it up and in and out of the driveway. So yeah, today we're going to be rolling the guards because we have literally like an extra, I dare say extra 1.5 centimeters of room here. So we're only going to be doing the rears because this is the only bit that's got, it's like the rears are a lot lower than the front guards. The fronts, we're pretty much going to keep the same height. We might drop it a little bit, but they don't need rolling. The rears definitely do, especially because I want to be running a 255 tyre at least on some 9.5 rims plus 15s as well. So yeah, we'll see how we go. I'm just going to jack it up real quick, and then we have a rolling thing down here. Heat gun, we should be sweet. Alright, so now I'm running into an issue where the R33's, like literally, the suspension that we set up really badly, literally does not give me enough room to get this contraption here between like here and here. There's just not enough room there. So it looks as though at the moment we are going to be also doing suspension today. So it should be fairly simple, literally undo this collar and then wind it down. Yeah, that's just going to change the height of it, and I will judge off the other side how high we need to go. I'm guessing it's probably going to be like 1 inch or 2 we're going to have to add to this, and then we'll set up the height from there. But yeah, we'll see how we go. So for some reason I've already loosened this, and literally this is just not wanting to budge. So I'm just going to get this off the end of there. There we go, now that's all dropped. And now I can finally turn these coilovers down to their proper setting. We'll see how we go. Alright, so I just sorted it all out. I'm going to raise the car by about 1.5 inches. So hopefully we shouldn't have any more rubbing issues. We can sort out the, we should be able to sort out the issues with the right height a little bit later, but at least for today we will be able to finally have a proper working car. Alrighty, cool. And hopefully now I should be able to fit those white wheels up without it rubbing everywhere, so that should be sick. Alrighty, let's chuck this big bolt back in. Trusty old impact. Alright, so now comes time to heat up all these guards here, and yeah, see how we go. So, in typical Queensland fashion, Of course, there's about to be a massive big electrical storm that's gonna pretty much stop me from doing all my work and move all my cars around. Sarah's currently upstairs filming a video and I asked her to come down and she was like in the middle of getting dressed into a really nice outfit. She helped me push the Skyline back a little bit. The Falcon's under just enough that if it was to hail, it's just gonna end up on the bonnet and the front guards. But even still then, just so annoying. And yes, in the nick of time, just as I wash both my cars, it decides to downpour. Mint! On the other hand, I am doing this at the moment and I have cracked the paint up a tiny little bit, but most of it's actually up and under here. So yeah, hopefully you don't see it on the very outside where I actually roll it. It's getting there nice and slowly, but yeah, definitely a little bit more to go. Alrighty, I'm completely wrecked and I've just done one side. I did crack up the paint a little bit, not too much. As you guys can see, it's actually not too bad for my first attempt. As I said, I didn't really care too much about these guards because pretty much what I can do is I could just get some sandpaper and nail polish and literally just go over them. That won't be too much hard work. Pretty much going from there all the way up. This bit here probably needs to get rolled in a little bit more, but it actually doesn't look too bad. Yeah, the rest of it actually is pretty good. I'm pretty happy with how it came out. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this machine off and I'm actually gonna bring over one of the white wheels because they're gonna be the ones that are actually gonna fit. I'm gonna just bring over the ones with the 255 on it and hopefully it'll clear the guards. If it does, I'm gonna be super stoked because that'd be sick. Awesome, let's go grab one. How are we looking over here? Oh yeah. It is a bit high, but I reckon those tyres are going to clear. Alright, so here's how much the Falcon guards poke. As you can see with a little bit of camber, they fit really nicely. And now here's the poke with the new 1.5 255s. They look so good. Yeah. And after a little bit of settling, i.e. jumping on the door sills pretty much, we managed to get it to settle at right there. Oh my god, I'm actually so surprised that these wheels fit. I love them. I reckon there'll be a little bit of rubbing, but at least running a 245 on this thing would be perfect. Excellent, I'm so keen. Although the weather here does make me a little bit scared, it is beautiful. Blue skies already coming through up there. Storm's just passed. My car that's a day old cleaned. It's all wet again, of course. It's just the way the rules are. Oh man, god, this thing's cool. Alrighty, second side here. As you can see, the guards are nice and annoying and not letting us in too much. So first of all, I'm going to quickly do the suspension, pretty much drop that, wind that down, so probably about 1.5 inches, measure it up exactly the same on the other side, so I'm all good. And then I measured it up on the other side, so hopefully I should be able to get this one perfect. So hopefully this side should be sick. Then we're going to roll these guards up and everything should be fine and dandy, so let's do that. So this one turned out a whole lot better, not much cracking at all. So now it's time to go get that massive big fat 255 tyre, the 9.5 inch rim, chuck her on, see how she looks. But I'll tell you what, must just be because I'm sick or something, or just the humidity, or I don't know, but my muscles are physically drained right now. I just can't do a thing. Man, this is crazy. Goddamn. Alright, in comparison to what we had, that's looking a whole lot better. Oh yeah. Still enough room for activities in there too. Might even get away with running a 255 in this thing in the rear for drifting. That'd be sick. This side's looking a little higher. I might have screwed that one up a little bit, but I'll be sorting out the ride heights tomorrow anyway. Yeah, this looks completely fine for what I'm having. Alright, so I'm pretty stoked for it. Let's see how she goes. I don't know, I reckon you'll like it better than the black.
I'm more looking at the fitment.
You're more looking at the fitment, are you?
Yeah.
Oh, you're all about that fitment. You're all about that tight rear. What do you think?
Are you sure they're meant to be white? They look kind of...
I know, I'm gonna repaint them. They're really dirty. Yeah, they're really dirty. I try to clean them, but they're like, the clear coats come off, and it's just how they are.
You can't put the purple spray stuff on?
The purple spray?
Purge.
Oh, we could, but maybe that could be a job for you. Yeah. I don't know, what do you think? It looks a hell of a lot better, doesn't it? Not bad, not bad. The fronts are looking good. Okay, can you try and film me try and get down the driveway? I want to see how it goes.
Sure.
I'm pretty sure it will.
How's the bed looking? Now you can see it in all its glory.
Yeah, it's looking alright.
It's looking alright?
5 weeks in.
5 weeks in, not bad.
Do you want to go touch how tight it is? Okay. I want you to feel how tight my rear end is.
Oh, geez.
Oh, it's tighter than the Falcon. Yeah, I know. It's that tight you can't put a finger up there. Oh, that's bad, Sarah. You have a dirty mind. Alrighty, this thing now is looking so fat. I think the white wheels are set. I think we're keeping them. I'm so keen to get these wheels all painted up now. I'm loving the white. The white is sick. All right, so I think from here, I am going to, I think this side of the back looks good. Like, I think that side's pretty much done. I think this side on the back needs to come down. Yeah, it needs to come down just a touch. Now, as for the fronts, I think they need to come down maybe 2-ish centimeters. I kind of want to have it like a little bit taller, but not that much taller, because it kind of looks like it's still towing a caravan at the moment. So I'll drop the front maybe 2 centimeters. The back and the rear, the back there is fine. I don't know. Still a little bit more to go. I guess we'll get around to that tomorrow. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate it. If you liked it, please remember to leave a thumbs up and comment what you thought down below. I think tomorrow we'll be either getting on to painting the rims, or we're just going to be rolling the front guards in the Falcon. Not quite sure what we're going to be doing yet, but I don't know. We'll work something out. Yeah, heaps of massive things coming up. I hope you guys are really keen. See you all in the next one. Peace out.